Hello friends, today I will show you the tips and tricks to clean prawn easily. Then how much prawn you want to eat, you can eat and it will digest properly. Let's start. So here is our fresh prawn we have caught from our pond. I'll just show you how fresh it is. You can see that. Yes, this looks so fresh. Now let's start cleaning. First we will remove the head portion. Then we are going to remove the tail part. Then we will remove the skin. Now we have to remove this black color thread, which is the intestine of the prawn. That is the main thing you have to remove. Then your digestion, there will be no problem. You can eat how much prawn you want to eat. You can see how I am removing. You can take a toothpick or a knife, anything sharp. Then you cut little. Then you have to remove the black portion. So you can cut one by one, or you first remove all the cover, then you do the removing of the black threads, that is the intestine part. Here we go. You can see how quickly I am cleaning it. Yes, I am so much habituated in cleaning prawns. It's really easy and fun. I love cleaning and preparing prawn for my children. They love eating prawns. Sometimes I prepare prawn curry, some prawn biryani, prawn fry, prawn 65, prawn Manchurian. Everything I prepare. I love this recipe. I know you all also like prawn. That's why you are watching my video, right? Yes. You just have to follow the simple steps to clean the prawn. Just remember to remove the black color intestine part of this prawn. It will be little time consuming, but still it is very healthy and good for your health and your digestive system and for all of your family members. In previous days we were not aware of this, but slowly we observed and we try to find out exactly the root cause of the digestion problem after eating the prawn. Then I found out that if we will remove this black intestine, then digestion will be smooth and there will be no indigestion. So even I'll recommend you also try this, and you can comment in the comment box how was it. If you have any questions, you can also put in comment box. If you are new to our channel, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. You can like and share my video as much as possible with your friends and family. You can write from which country you are watching our video. I would love to see and reply you back. We are almost done, halfway. Oh my god. If you are cleaning prawn, then you should have sufficient of patience to clean it. Otherwise, clean it from the shop or some other person of your family, because we need at least half an hour to clean this prawn. So I am cleaning around 1 kg of prawn. It took me around half an hour, but I just make this video very fast so that it will finish in just 8 minutes and I'll not make you bored too much. You can write which of this recipe you like to prepare with the prawn. You like prawn curry or biryani. What recipes you prepare at your home, you can write in the comment box. I would love to read and reply you back. So I am almost done. Only 1/3 of the prawn is remaining. It will be quickly over, and I will wash thoroughly and I will marinate with salt and turmeric. One thing you have to remember, after cleaning this prawn, you soak the prawn for at least 10 minutes, because sometimes the mud or the sand part of it will just settle on the bottom of this bowl. Then you can take the prawn in the upper portion slowly. Otherwise, sometimes if you will not clean it properly, then you can taste like some sand, something will be on it. So we need to 30 minutes we need to put it in water, and we should remove the prawn thoroughly. So that is the main important part I forget to tell in my previous video, so I thought I will share with you. Some people they don't like to eat the head part, then you can remove that portion, and some they like to eat the head part. So if those people they like to eat the head portion, then we need to clean it thoroughly, because most of the dust part is there in the head portion. So we need to press it, and we need to remove that stuff from the head portion. You can see almost I'm done, only few are remaining. So after cleaning this prawn, today I'm going to prepare the prawn biryani, and I'll prepare some raita. It will go perfect along with the biryani. If you like to watch prawn biryani videos, then you can comment. I'll just share my recipe with you all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. This is the Indian style of cleaning the prawn. If you are in other country and you are watching my video, you can write how you clean the prawn. I would love to read, and I will also want to apply your method to clean the prawn. You can see almost we are done. So I'm just double checking if something is remaining. Now I will pour the water. I'll wait for 30 minutes to settle all the dust in the bottom part. Then I will take all the prawns slowly. Then again 2-3 times I will clean it with good water. Then now our prawn is ready. You can see that. Okay, bye bye.